Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. I want to thank Friday with Friends for having me this week. Acrylic art by Mary Kirk, Joanne Ralston art, acrylic creations by Jay Whitty, and oak by Bettina. If you missed anyone, use my playlist down below. Today is a special day. Happy 70th birthday to my husband. Yep, that's my super husband, John. I couldn't resist sharing a few pictures of him with our son Michael and my daughter Juliana and our grandchildren. Yep, Grandpa to the rescue, always. And yes, I chose this heart because he is my heart. For the last, at least, I want to say, 55 years. So without any further ado, let's get on with the show. So this is going to be a heart, and then this is going to be a little ornament that we have in the middle. And this is going to be the stand. So this is going to be quite beautiful. And I thought I would do these in purples today. Shades of purple with some flowers. And where are those flowers? And I did get these flowers. As you can see, I'm placing the flowers with my tweezers down into the heart and into the stands. I'm using the tweezers because they are quite fragile and I don't want to break them. This is some Nuvo Pure sheen. And this is just some plain purple glitter that I have. And this is in crocus. Okay, just about an hour has passed. And I do believe that is dry. And that looks pretty cool. the first hour. Okay, so let's shut that off. Let's decide what we're gonna do. In retrospect, at this point, I wish I would have just put clear resin on top of everything here. Of the, you let me know at the end what you think. Just a little drop of that ocean white. And I'm pouring the resin into that now. And you can just see that I just put a little drop on the stick there. Here's my alcohol inks, and I have purple Twilight and I have shell pink, and those are the two that I'm going to be putting here. Just want to get my bubbles out. So I'm dotting around in the purple Twilight. And then next, I'm going right on top in the shell pink. And then I'm taking my white and I'm making little dots on top. And I did that on the heart, and I will repeat it on the base. Now I'm swirling this, or twirling it, whatever you want to call it, with my little dotting tool. Oh, and I almost forgot the ornament in the middle. I won't have time to do this before John's birthday, but I will put a photo of us in the ornament. I didn't fill that ornament with all of the resin. I did leave a space in there. Now I took the white and I put it all around the edges. And I had a little resin left over and I put it on the bottom there. I don't know why I did that. And then I have my pyramid that I always use my leftover resin in. And I put a heating mat another 2 hours. Okay, we're back. It actually was dry, I believe, in an hour. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I decided I was not going to put anything in this final layer. You know what? I'm not going to put anything in the final layer. Because I think if I do, I'm going to be sorry that I did. I am just going to leave it clear because I do want to put a beautiful photo here. And we're going to celebrate. I'm whispering because we don't want John to hear. But it is his 70th birthday. And I'm going to put a beautiful photo of the two of us here. And this is going to be one of his birthday presents for his 70th birthday. I think he's gonna love it. So happy birthday, John. Happy 70th. I think I know you since you're, let's see if I could figure that out. 8th grade, 1967. I'm not going to even figure it out. We all know when that was. Wow. That was a long time ago. So I am going to do this. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you that photo in here. But if I don't do that today, I certainly will give that to you in another day. I'll put it into my community page or in one of my videos to come.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
I'm just making sure that I got it in every crevice here. I'm checking to make sure that it's even, getting all those bubbles out. And putting that heating mat on for the last time. And this is the final result of all the fruits of my labor. And this is absolutely stunning. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that flower in there. Oh, those dried flowers are beautiful. And I do love this. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But I think if I would have left it at that first layer alone, I may have loved it a little more. But you let me know in the comments below. I do think this is beautiful. This is a beautiful piece. And this can be used over and over and over again. This is something that I will be using many times. This is on the other side. This is how it looks. So this is one of those pieces, and I think you'll agree that it looks beautiful both ways. It really does. This is the other way. Look how pretty that is. So I hope you did learn a little something here today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off tonight. Happy 70th birthday, John. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Friday with Friends, for having me. Thank you so much, Betty, for introducing me. If you haven't seen these lovely ladies before me, please look in my description below.